Do you truly own your crypto assets, or are they just numbers on a screen controlled by someone else? This isn't just a philosophical question, it's a fundamental consideration when choosing a crypto wallet. In the world of digital assets, the concept of decentralization is paramount, and understanding whether your wallet truly aligns with this principle is crucial for security and financial autonomy. Today, we're diving deep into the Bifrost Wallet to answer a critical question: is Bifrost Wallet decentralized? First, let's clarify what decentralized means in the context of a crypto wallet. At its core, a decentralized wallet means you, and only you, have control over your private keys. Your private keys are essentially the digital signatures that unlock your cryptocurrency. If a third party holds these keys, they effectively control your assets, even if they're holding them on your behalf. This is what we call a custodial wallet, often found on centralized exchanges. In contrast, a non-custodial wallet ensures that the private keys are generated and stored securely on your device, giving you sole ownership and responsibility. So, where does Bifrost Wallet stand on this spectrum? Bifrost Wallet is a non-custodial mobile cryptocurrency wallet. This is a crucial point in its favor for decentralization. It means that when you create a Bifrost wallet, your private keys are generated and encrypted directly on your device, whether it's an iOS or Android phone. The Bifrost Wallet team explicitly states that they never store your private keys or any identifiable information on their servers. This fundamentally shifts the power from a centralized entity to you, the user. What are the implications of this non-custodial nature? Firstly, it significantly reduces counterparty risk. Unlike centralized exchanges where your funds could be frozen, seized, or lost in a hack, with Bifrost Wallet, you are your own bank. No third party can access or control your funds without your private keys. This aligns perfectly with the ethos of decentralization, which aims to remove single points of failure and intermediaries. Bifrost Wallet further reinforces this decentralized approach through several features. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and blockchains, allowing users to manage diverse assets across different decentralized networks. It also includes an in-app dApp browser, enabling direct interaction with decentralized applications, dApps, like Uniswap and PancakeSwap. This integration with the broader Web3 ecosystem empowers users to participate in DeFi, NFTs, and other decentralized activities without needing to rely on centralized platforms. Furthermore, Bifrost Wallet emphasizes security through independent audits by firms like Cure53 and FYEO. While audits don't guarantee immunity from all risks, they demonstrate a commitment to identifying and addressing potential vulnerabilities, which is important for any wallet, decentralized or not. It's important to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. The non-custodial nature of Bifrost Wallet means you are solely responsible for safeguarding your recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase. If you lose this phrase, or if it falls into the wrong hands, your funds could be permanently lost or stolen. This is the trade-off for true decentralization and self-custody. In conclusion, when we ask if Bifrost Wallet is decentralized, the answer is a resounding yes, in the context of user control over private keys. It champions the non-custodial model, putting the ownership and responsibility of your digital assets squarely in your hands. This aligns it with the core principles of the blockchain and cryptocurrency space. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.